Is SurveyCompare really an easy way to earn $50 per survey as it might look like on the website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different paid survey sites, and many viewers have asked me about this particular one, so I wanted to do an updated SurveyCompare review where I show you exactly how it works, because let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to consider before joining. So let's start by going over who can join, because SurveyCompare is available in quite a lot of different countries. I do not have a list of the exact countries, but what you need to be aware of is that it looks similar in most countries. You can see the landing page here in the US, then in the UK it looks a little bit different, but for example in the UAE it looks the same as in the US. Here in South Africa it looks like same in the UK. Here we have Singapore, here we have in Australia. So they kind of have two different designs, but no matter which country you live in, it offers the exact same thing. So this is what you need to be aware of. So I will show you exactly how it works. I'll show you what happens after you sign up, because it's very important to understand that even though it says here you can earn up to $500 per month, for example, if you scroll down it says earn up to $50 per survey. And it even says that the average survey pays $5. So you just need to take 5 surveys a day, then you'll earn $500 per month. So it looks like it has huge earning potential, but this is not exactly how it works. So let me show what happens after you sign up so you know exactly what to expect. So once you give your email address, your birth date, then you will get to see what really happens, because then you get to this here. It might look a little bit different depending on the country you sign up from, but then you get this overview. You can see here, to maximize your earnings, we recommend that you select all of these companies. It is because they get paid commissions when they get you to sign up. So you might think that when you sign up for SurveyCompare, it might look like you are getting access to actually paid service, but what you're getting access to here is a list of other service sites you can join. I would say, however, these ones, they're great service sites. For example, Tuluna, YouGov, LifePoints, Ipsos iSay, Valued Opinions, all are legit service sites. So at least it's only recommending legit service sites, but this might not be what you expected. You may be expected to actually get access to paid service, but here you will only get access to a list of it. And then when you click these ones, when you continue, then they will send you emails with their invitation links there, so they will get paid for you to sign up. Nothing wrong with that, but just be transparent about it. That's my opinion anyways. I also recommend service sites and use referral links and things like that, but I don't try to make it look like you can go to my website and sign up for paid service on my website. I just make it very clear that based on my real experiences, this is what I recommend. And I think that is what is lacking here, that it makes it look like you can actually earn here, but what you get is just a list. And then, for example, if you check the user reviews, right, they're like really, really old, like I don't even know if they're real, but they're like several years old at the time of recording this video here. So there's just superficial information. You need to choose these. This is basically what you get. You might think that then, well, after that, at least I might then get to a member area so I can earn on SurveyCompare. So let's see what then happens when we continue to the next step. So then after that, then you need to give your full name and zip code also. And this is where you can also see that you also then agree that the company behind SurveyCompare can send you additional promotional emails, and also the companies that you chose before on the sign up screen, they can also send information to you. So then I'll just fill out here, and then we'll complete the sign up and see what then happens. And then the last step, please check your emails. Thank you for registering. Then you must confirm your registration with each survey company. So this is what you get. There is no member area. There is no way to earn on SurveyCompare itself. What actually happens is that now they have your email address, and they will start to send you, in my experience, daily emails with promotional emails where they get paid to promote different survey companies. So if you're okay with that, then this might be for you, but you need to know what really happens here, because this is not as such a paid service site. You will not earn on SurveyCompare itself. It is only recommending other paid service sites that they are getting paid to recommend. They have superficial information, in my opinion, that doesn't really help you find the right options for you. You will get many emails, promotional emails, that make it look like there's some really great opportunities, but in reality, they are just really, really good at getting you to sign up, so they earn commissions. So this is what you really get, and then you can decide for yourself if this is something you like or not. So let's just sum it up. SurveyCompare is not a paid survey site, and that is the main reason I made this review, because many of you have asked, can I really earn $50 per survey on SurveyCompare and all that? You will not earn on SurveyCompare itself. I just want to make that very clear. It is just what you can call a survey aggregator. It just gives you a superficial list of other paid survey sites, and then you give them their email, and then they will start sending you promotional emails. If you think that is fine and you would like that as an inspiration, then you can do it. From what I have seen, they are only recommended at least legit survey sites. I have not seen them recommend any of these like scam surveys or things like that. So that's the only one good thing that SurveyCompare has going for it, in my personal opinion. But whether this is for you or not really depends on your personal preferences. This is just my own opinion about it. Like, I don't find it worth it because I don't find that the information is thorough enough to actually really help. I don't think that it's clear enough what you actually get on the sign up page. But if you think it sounds great, a great way to get this inspiration, then you can sign up for it. You just need to know exactly what you get. And hopefully this video helped you figure that out. And also, I do have a list of the best survey sites, in my opinion, with long tutorials and everything on my website. I'll leave a link below so you can go and find the best options in my personal experience in your country. So if you want to check out my recommended options, you can check that out. And also, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.